Hello, good morning once again. It's Richard Dupey here. Today is midweek. These days, I don't know what's going on, but I don't know what the people are playing. You see a good plan, a very, very good plan, but they will not even pass there at all. But I have something sweet today, very nice. I want to show you guys. Let's look at it and see how it goes. It's a transfer from Lucky Tuesday to Midweek paper, and it's I'm supposed to have picked the one in the midweek itself, but I'm not using that one. I'm not picking that one. That event is also good. You can pay me. It's also good, but I'm using the event in the Lucky Tuesday paper, the transfer radar. I'm using the transfer radar. So when you yourself you look at it, you will understand why I'm using that one. Let's come to it straight. First, we look at the one in the midweek paper first. The one in the midweek paper, as you can see, at event 728, 728 in the year 2017. You see 85 play, then following week put 89 under it. Then following week, single one will also play under them to give us the full banker. Single one today, very strong. Full banker to play with 75. Single one, 75. Our too short for today. Single one, 75. So as you can see, the 85 play first before the 89 goes under it. This one is the one in the how do you call it? The midweek paper itself. The one in the midweek paper itself. So that is at event 730, 730. The second one will go under the parking, the lamping over there. The second one will go under the 89 and then play with 75. That is our two short. So single one, 75, two short. Okay. Looking at that, now we go straight to Lucky Tuesday paper. Lucky Tuesday paper. In the year, this is the main confirmation. In the year 2008. 2008. First, we start from event 79. Then he play 73. 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. Then he play single 3 at machine. That is machine to winning plan. So you notice that the single 3 is at winning. So from that 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we enter 2009. 2009. So 10 weeks down from the single 3, you see the 16 playing over there. So counting from the 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks down, then the double 6 will play with 50. So as double 6 play with 50, you count from the 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 61 will play, following 42. Then as the 42 play 4 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then that 42 will come back and play at first position. The same time, you notice that the 42 is at the last position, that is 5th position. So it's the same as first position and then the 5th position. Because if you turn the plan, the 42 could be here, but because it's machine to winning, so you see where the 42 is. That 42 came back. So then he play with 85 at last position. Then he put the 89 under it at last position. So following week, you notice that the single one will play under the parking over there, the 85, and then it is just like the first one in the midweek that I show you guys. The single one will play under the 89 and then play with 75, our two short. Then you see the 73 that we saw earlier. The 73 will also turn to join them to give us 37, 75, and then single one. You notice that the single one repeated just to prove to us our banker as single one, and then the 75 will join them to give us the main two short for the midweek today. As you can see, let me take you straight to the confirmation plan in the midweek itself. Then you will see how it is. In the first one, you could only notice that the 85 play and then put 89 under it. So the main confirmation here is start from this is the current confirmation. So confirming the main confirmation event is at 969. So on the 73 played first, 3 weeks down from the 73, 1, 2, 3. Then single 3 will play at winning. So as single 3 play, then count from the single 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The same 10 weeks down again. Then the 16 will play in machine. So as the 16 play in machine, 5 weeks down from that 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the 50 will play at winning. Double 6 will go to machine. 5 weeks down again from the double 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the 61 will play on the following week. Then 42 will also play. So as the 42 play, then 4 weeks down from the 42, that 42, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the 42 will come back and play at first position. Because it's machine to winning, that's why the 42 is not at last position, but it's the same as the first one. So it winning, then you notice that the 85 will play and then put the 89 under it at last position. 85 will play and put 89 under it at last position. So following week, then you see the single one will have to come play with the 75. Then that 73 will turn 37 to join them to give you the 3 numbers. That is single 1, 75, and then 37. Now 3 numbers to play for us today. That is what it is over here. So going over it again, you can see at event 79. This one is a transfer in a Lucky Tuesday paper. Confirmation is in itself, the midweek itself. So this is a transfer from Lucky Tuesday paper. Event 79. The 73 played over there. 3 weeks down. Then the single 3 played. 10 weeks down from that single 3. Then you see 16 playing. So 5 weeks down from the 16, double 6 will play with 50 in each winning. 6 weeks down again, 61 will play. Following week 42. The 42 will come back again 4 weeks down and play at first position or last position. Then the 85 will play at each machine that is winning at the last position. Then the 89 will go under it. So you can see single 1 being a full banker to play with 75 and then 37. This particular plan is a national. It's a national. So you can see the single 1 is very good. If 89 plays, usually sometimes repeat and play with the single 1. The 89 will repeat and play with single 1. It's a national. So this is the single 1. It's supposed to play with 75 and then the 37. Even if you go top 2, you notice the 89 playing at the same position. Following week 75. Following week 75. If it goes up, the same 75. If it comes down, the same 75. So 75 single 1. Our full too sure. And then 37 will join them to give us the 3 numbers. So the event I'm using for midweek today is event 104 in Lucky Tuesday paper. Event 104 in Lucky Tuesday paper. And the numbers on the event are 37, 81, 75, 60, and then single 1. If you notice that in national, the 16 that played, the 16 10 and play with 60 is the same thing. That 60 is there. It's very good. That is the main reason why I'm using the 60 over here. And the single 1 can produce another ND1. That is 81. So this event is very good for us today. We only hope and pray it falls on the plan just like that for us, so that we can win something today. Because as you yourself can see this event. The event is very good. Event 104 in Lucky Tuesday paper. 37, 81, 75, 60, and then single 1. I just want to thank you once again for sticking with me. And then those who have already subscribed and those who have not, please do subscribe to the channel and Let's blast this game together. I just hope and pray that we win it together. Thank you very much for being here, and then bye for now.